So in this CapCut tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a YouTube video here inside of CapCut. So once you have CapCut open up on your device, add whatever video you want. So I just took this random stock video right here from the CapCut app. So it says Happy New Year, plain and simple. If I wanted to format this into an Instagram video, or sorry, into a YouTube video, pretty simple. I go to the bottom here to where it says ratio underneath at the bottom where between effects and filters, press on ratio. Scroll all the way to where it says 16:9. So that of course is the YouTube dimensions that we want to use. So I'll press 16:9 right here. It'll then format into the best thing for a YouTube video. So if I press on the check mark right here in the bottom right and I press play, it's now formatted the exact same video into the best settings for a YouTube video when it comes to the aspect ratio. So that's how you guys can make a YouTube video here inside of CapCut. I hope this video helped.